Family, 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 ShaSha&Family. ShaSha&Family, yeah, that's me. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to ShaSha&Family, and today we have a place called Moe's. This is my first time trying, y'all. It's supposed to be so good. So, you know, they gave me some chips. And this right here is just extra Chipotle ranch. Let me tell y'all what I have in here. I have, let's get it open. Y'all, I had a long trip. I don't know if I want to tell about it right now or wait till later. But this bowl right here has brown rice, chicken. Look, the first bowl. Brown rice, chicken, queso cheese, bell pepper, onions, corn, shredded cheese, and that is Chipotle ranch sprinkled across there. We're about to get into it, y'all. This is our first time, and we're gonna go and get into it. Y'all, let me see if they taste good first before I say this. Get the first bite. Go ahead. Get the first bite. Okay. 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 Set this up here so I can eat on it. But okay. Lock my door. Yeah. Hold on. Gotta get a couple more chews. I love some good peppers and onions and rice. I see why they boy in front of me asked for some more rice. Cause they'll give you more meat and everything. Besides rice. Normally when you go place they give you rice. Hardly no meat. Yeah. There's plenty of cheese and plenty of meat. And this one I'm $13. So I most definitely recommend. That spoon like got a deep cuff like dip. You can hold soup and everything in there. Yeah, so what I was saying was what I was saying was yeah, so Chipotle y'all done me wrong more than once. Y'all done let me find a new spot. And y'all, they had other stuff too. You know what I really want to try? But I didn't try it today. The Barilla or Barilla or whatever. Y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. I want to try it. And they sell it. I'm for trying to. Y'all, this is a chunk of meat. I'm not playing. This is a chunk of meat with rice and stuff on it. Like, folks ain't gonna play. They definitely not stingy with the meat. Chipotle is stingy with their meat. They never give you a scoop like this of meat. And you be like, I want some more meat. And they be like, this extra meat. That girl in here, baby, she picked that meat up like this with a scooper and said, "Cool." And when I say every bite, you got a piece of big meat. She did her bill. Now they definitely taste different. They do taste different. I mean, everybody has a big chunk of meat. It do taste different. The people next to me, I just caught them staring at me. I don't know if they thought I was gonna stop or what, but no way. No way. I really don't like corn chips, so it's called Moe's Southwest Grill. Y'all might get one and sit near you. Now, hopefully when you visit, they do you like they did me today. Y'all, this is my first time going in there, and it was people in there like, I don't know if it's because I stay by a college campus, but it was like so, they're not teen kids, they're adults, but it was like so many, excuse me, it was like so many, like early adults, like college kids. I'm gonna say college kids. It looked like college kids. Y'all. I had a crazy weekend. Overall, I'm still gonna say it was good because I got a chance to. I don't know why my voice trying to get hoarse. I haven't even been hollering. Now I was trying to speak over them kids on the way coming back. So we always talking about something. Probably I was trying to prove points, and I'm thinking this is where I get it from. But y'all, the devil tried to get me, but in the end I won, because you know who gave me. Period. Put this behind my ear. Reading not giving. Y'all, this so crusty. Like, I know y'all like, what's going on? Y'all, it's so crusty. It looks so nappy. You know, when water hit it out of it. And it's like the edge control stuff that was used. Y'all. Yeah, they're cheaper. Trying to see what I'm missing. I'm missing lettuce. That's what I'm missing. Y'all, people eat the mess out of it. When I say I've been seeing cars come in like non-stop. Cars been going in non-stop. I mean, people have been going in this building non-stop. They make the money most different. And they good. Like, okay. Literally. You can't even act like it ain't meat in every bite. Them folks dip their spoon because they know that they have a big piece of meat. So they got this big dip in this spoon so you can get your meat and everything else too. They gave. Now the food, let me see what I rated. Because what you call flavor is just so good. Chipotle. But here, they give you so much food. Yeah, I ate head for a bowl. Y'all so cheesy. This ain't even cheese right there on top. It's queso cheese under this sprinkle cheese. And then this Chipotle ranch. Y'all, look at this beat. I ain't lying. This a piece of chicken. Them folks don't play. They don't play. If you ever thought they played, think again. They good, y'all. They good. I think I just wanted some lettuce. I don't know. They is good as heck. They really good. And I'm full. They got that big deal for you to see that big chicken I told you and all the rest of the stuff in it with it. So you can taste number flavors. It's really good. My hair's so crunchy. With my edges. It's the edges, y'all. Most definitely. I hadn't planned my hair. The edges y'all I did the edges yesterday. Bleak. I might post one of my pictures. Or whatever. But I put some other hardened stuff on top of it so my edges wouldn't move. It's these flags. Now, white meat, queso. Yeah, that's a lot. But, and then, I still literally just ate this much. Anyway, y'all, as y'all can see, I probably ate 2 chips. I'm not a chip fan. Should have been Dorito or something. But I'm not a chip fan for no one. And they smell fresh. Just not a chip fan. It's blah. Bland, like. I don't even have salt on it. Do better. Them chips are 0. The food, I want to say a 6. But I still would say run there because y'all might like it like me. I'm really not a Chipotle fan. So, it's so cheesy though, y'all. I love cheese. And like this a win for me. It's so cheesy, but it felt like it was missing something. And I know I had no lettuce. Oh! I had no lettuce or tomato. And I could have sworn I told him put tomato on there. This one I miss. I miss tomato and lettuce. Lettuce and tomato. Let's eat. This is really good. If I had my lettuce and tomato on here, I know there'll be a good solid 8.5 or a 9. Because I don't like 8.5 or 9. Chipotle, they gave me, last time I ate them, they was a 4. So, yeah, this is every bit of like a 7. And then if I would have had my tomatoes and lettuce, it would have been a 8.59. So, y'all, it's really good. Like, it's really good. I don't want to say Chipotle better than them because Chipotle, they ain't good. Like, first of all, I don't eat you for years and then I come and eat you, like, and get some of you, like, I don't like how none of you went. But anyway, if I come and purchase things at your place, you need to be lit. You need to be good. And Chipotle wasn't that good. Now, another thing, I don't know if because years and years ago, I had someone that was near and dear to me. There was a manager. And I used to get, like, ultimate chicken. And the way I wanted it and loaded in my bowl used to sit like this high. Like, when I put my top on it, my cheese, like queso cheese, used to touch my top. And you don't see number maybe that's another thing, but those were so many years ago. But anyway, like, yeah, no, don't like it, don't really like it, don't really care for Chipotle. Like, they alright. They not have people be hyping them up. Like, people that be hyping them up really don't know real food, don't eat good food or something. This right here, I'm going to give them they props. They good. They really good. They give you more meat. They give you more food. They don't complain. They don't throw no extra on your box because you know what I'm saying. You really ain't got to ask them. When you do get some more meat from them, you going to be extra for real because the first drop they give you is fat. Like, they give you enough. Like, it be for real enough. And my phone trying to see me is low. Okay. I'm finna end this. Chill. Lemonade, prime. Yeah, so, but this ain't about this. I ain't promoting them. Not promoting them, just doing a little taste test. It was good, but if I would have had my lettuce, tomato, and then maybe a little spicy sauce, it would have been better. But they sell Aldi. I don't know about lettuce. I did not see any lettuce in there. But they do sell tomato, and they had all type of spicy sauces. But I was scared to try them. So, yeah. But this is good. And if I know if I get my tomato and my lettuce and some sauce, guess what, Chipotle? It's over. What they say, when I put this lettuce and tomato on her and that sauce, it's over. When I put this lettuce and tomato and sauce on her, y'all, my hands getting little because I most definitely could fit these rings. Now you could just do this to my finger. Seriously. I mean, like, every ring, you could just slide them off. And the person who got these most definitely know my ring size. And this the size I will for years, for a long time. So, like, now they slime back off. So, I think I need to go down a number. Like, every time I talk or do something, my ring be on the other. Okay, so you see it on this side. I just be talking, and it just be ending up on the other side. Every time I talk, every time I do something, it be ending up on the other side. Like, it's ready to go in there and in. And it be like this. When it probably like... My hands have got small. My hands have got smaller. This what I believe. I'm sticking with it. Gotta be, because what? But thank you guys for watching. Again, I give this... I don't want to do them bad. I get them a 7, but like, if I had my tomato lettuce and my sauce, I most definitely get them 8.59. No cap. No cap. Nobody's getting a 10 but the people who make my burrito eat this little Mexican place that I used to go to, a little restaurant. They so fat, but they ain't there no more. And I ain't been in years anyway. But Chipotle, y'all get a good 5, 4. Ooh, I'm a 4, y'all, most definitely. And them, they get a 7 today. And I know if I would have got the other stuff, they would have had 8.59/9. So, thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Stay tuned for my next video, y'all. I have to tell y'all how my trip went and how the devil was trying to attack, but baby, he didn't have enough armor. Let's put it like that. So, I'm going to leave you guys with my saying, love, peace, and hair grease. Until next time.